Hello, and welcome back to Simple English Avenue. This is the podcast for learners who want to speak English clearly, calmly, and confidently. My name is David, and I am here to help you improve your English step by step, little by little. Today's topic is simple but very powerful. How can you practice English every day, even if you are busy? Maybe you work all day. Maybe you feel shy. Maybe you do not live in an English-speaking country. Many people think, I need to move to Canada. I need to live in New York. I need a native speaker friend. But that is not true. You do not need to live in London. You do not need to study 3 hours every night. You do not need perfect grammar. You only need small daily habits, small actions, easy steps, simple practice. So let's begin. First, let me ask you something. Have you heard the word shadowing? Maybe yes, maybe no. Shadowing is a very powerful way to improve your speaking and listening at the same time. It is simple. Here is how it works. You listen to someone speaking English, and at the same time, you repeat what they say. You copy the sound, you copy the speed, you copy the rhythm. You do not stop. You do not translate. You do not think too much. You just repeat, like an echo. Let's try it now. I will say a sentence. You repeat after me. I want to speak English confidently. I practice English every day. Small steps bring big results. Very good. That is shadowing. At first, it feels strange. You may not understand every word. That is okay. Shadowing is not about perfect understanding. It is about training your brain and your mouth to work together. If you practice 5 minutes every day, you will feel improvement. Your speech becomes smoother. Now, let's answer the big question. How can you practice English every day in real life? Many learners say, I don't have time. I feel nervous. I don't know where to start. My answer is simple. Start small. Here are 5 easy ways. If you want to speak better, you must listen more. Listening is the foundation. You can listen to podcasts, simple English stories, YouTube videos, English songs, short news for learners. You do not need to understand everything. Even 40% is okay. Your brain is learning. You can listen while walking, cooking, cleaning, driving, resting. Just 10 minutes every day is powerful. Make English part of your routine. Listening is good, but speaking is stronger. After you listen, repeat. For example, I am learning slowly. I make mistakes, and that is okay. I am improving every day. When you repeat many times, your speaking becomes natural. Do not wait to be perfect. Just practice. This is very important. Stop translating all the time. Start thinking in English. Use short sentences. In the morning. I am tired. It is cold today. I need coffee. During the day. I am working. I am hungry. I need a break. At night, I am relaxing. I feel happy. Today was busy. These small thoughts help your brain switch to English. Later, say them quietly out loud. Talk to yourself. It is powerful practice. Reading silently is helpful, but reading aloud is stronger. It trains your mouth. Choose a short text. Read slowly, then read again a little faster. Then read with feeling. Imagine you were telling a story. This builds pronunciation, fluency, confidence. It is like exercise for your speaking muscles. English should not only be homework, it should be part of your day. Here are simple ideas. Change your phone language to English. You will see words like settings, update, delete, download, message. You learn naturally. No stress. Write 3 sentences in a diary every night. For example, today I worked late. I felt tired. I watched a short English video. That is enough. You can also record your voice. Speak for 1 minute. Talk about your day. Listen to yourself. You will hear your progress. You will notice your mistakes. And you will improve. You can join online groups, Facebook groups, Telegram channels, language exchange apps. Write small messages. Send voice notes. Do not be afraid. Everyone is learning. English becomes real when you use it with people. Watch short English videos. Watch them 2 times. Pause. Repeat the sentences. Copy the speaker. This helps you learn natural English. Even 20 seconds can teach you something new. Here is the secret. Do small things every day. Not once a week, not once a month. Every day. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. That is enough. Strong habits create strong speakers. You do not need to move to another country. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need to be fearless. You only need consistency. English grows slowly, like a plant. Water it every day, and one day, you will speak with confidence. You will speak naturally. You will feel proud. And you will say, I did not give up. Thank you for listening today. Keep practicing. Keep repeating. Keep believing in yourself. And I will see you in the next episode of Simple English Avenue.